Wait, look at these nails. Would you wear this on Valentine's Day? Let me show you exactly how to make them step by step. The base of the nail consists of 2 layers of the milky gel color. Now apply a red nail stripe in the middle of the nail. On the left side of the nail, you now apply the red gel color. If you want, you can paint hearts, but I have chosen to apply heart nail sticker to the nail design. I think it saves time, but of course you choose what you want. If you want, you can leave the nail design as it is, or if you're like me, I naturally want a little bling bling on my nails. Finish the nail design by applying top coat to the nail and cure the nail for 60 seconds. On the second nail, the base is 2 coats of the gel color red. I wanted this nail to keep it simple, so why not apply just heart nail sticker and then finish the nail by applying top coat? If you are still watching, you are officially my Valentine. Comment a red heart below so I know you are here. We are about to add the cutest part of the design, so don't go anywhere. This is what makes the nail design look expensive. Wow, it turned out so beautiful. Now we have come to the last nail, and here too, I have chosen to apply a nail sticker. Just don't forget to apply top coat to the nail. Look at how cute these turned out. If you are wearing these for Valentine's Day, comment love below. Don't forget to like this video. It really helps my channel grow. And make sure you are subscribed, because the next design is even cuter. Thank you for watching.